Hello again, everyone. I'm Mr. Tim. Welcome back to Everyday AI with Mr. Tim and Professor T. Before we move forward, let's tighten everything we've learned so far, because this show builds like a staircase. In episode 1, we started with the basics: who, what, when, where, why, and how. In episode 2, we upgraded that with something stronger: my system called focus, where the F is frame the situation. The O is objective. The C is the constraints. The U is unknowns. And the S is specifics. Your homework last time, we all love homework, was simple. Take one real problem from your real life and give it to your AI using the focus method. And the feedback was overwhelming. Most of you saw better answers immediately. But here's the truth. Even with the focus, the first AI answer still isn't always perfect. That is expected. So in episode 3, today, I'm teaching you the next step: how to fix the answer using focus again, this time on the follow-up. Here's why the second pass matters. When the answer doesn't feel right, most people think, well, I guess AI is wrong. No, usually the problem is this: the AI answered your question, but it didn't fully use your focus. Maybe it missed your objective, or maybe it ignored a constraint. Maybe it filled in an unknown incorrectly. Maybe it skipped a specific detail. Remember, you have to remain structured so AI remains structured. Episode 3 shows you how to tighten the answer fast without rewriting anything. So, how to use the Focus Plus second pass. There are only 3 steps to a perfect follow up, and all 3 use the same focus framework. Step 1: re anchor the frame. If AI misreads the situation, frame the reminder. Here's what's happening right now. Use this. Step 2: restate or sharpen the objective. If the answer wandered or drifted, my real objective is so and so. Rebuild the answer based on that. Step 3: reinforce constraints, unknowns, or specifics. If the AI answer ignores them, use these constraints. These are the unknowns I need answered. These specifics must be included. One sentence and your whole answer is fixed. This is Focus Plus, using focus again on the follow-up. Alrighty, let's look at some real examples of Focus Plus. Let's say we have a medical issue we're trying to understand, and the AI answer is too general. Your follow-up could be like this: frame the reminder. This is for a 78-year-old with limited mobility. Objective: help me understand risks. Make it simple. Seniors with Medicare issues. AI didn't consider your constraints. Your follow-up might be: constraint reminder, fixed income, $140 monthly limit. And your unknowns: which plan protects me from surprise billing? How about veterans trying to write a VA statement? Your AI answer tone wasn't right. Your follow-up might be: specifics, keep it factual, respectful, and concise. Write in VA-style language. Your objective: clarity for a VA reviewer. Or you might have a tech issue, like your laptop is broken or not functioning. AI recommends solutions you can't do. Your follow-up might be the constraint: I don't have tools to open the laptop. Or the objective: give me the simplest step I can check right now. For money and bills, we all love those. AI didn't prioritize correctly. Follow up. Objective reminder: I need the order to pay these to avoid penalties. Specifics: use my actual monthly budget. For family or school email, the tone or structure is wrong. Your follow-up can be style reminder, polite but firm. Your objective, one paragraph the school understands immediately. So, yay, more homework. Your homework for episode 3, take any AI answer this week that you have asked it and tighten it using a Focus Plus follow-up. Use the same 5 pieces: frame, objective, constraints, unknowns, specifics. One sentence, second pass, better answer. So in closing, let's review a little bit. Episode 1 gave you the basics: who, what, when, where, why, and how. Episode 2 gave you focus. Episode 3 gives you Focus Plus, the second pass. This is the difference between AI feeling random and AI becoming a reliable assistant. And in episode 4, we take the next big step: how to make the AI speak in your exact voice, tone, personality, and communication style. And the more you use it, the more it knows you. It learns, always learning. That's when everything gets easier. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button, and I'll see you in episode 4. And remember, this is Everyday AI with Mr. Tim and Professor T. Real solutions with ChatGPT and Common Sense. We'll see you next time. You're in the right place.